Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located near the border of St. Catherine and St. Andrew, in the community of Santa Maria, St. Catherine, sits this newly built 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom home on half-acre lot. The house was recently built and it features an open concept living and dining, in addition to a relaxing veranda, laundry area, and plenty of yard space for your garden. The property is 2 minutes drive from Rockhall Square and approximately 20 to 30 minutes from the foot of Red Hills. It is close to transportation, schools, and churches. Not to mention, it offers easy access and peace and the tranquility of nature. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 36 million or US $233,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.